Hello. Today I will be demonstrating how to set up a basic Cucumber scenario in Ruby. I'll be demonstrating this using a plain text editor and a command prompt. There is no difference when using the terminal if you are on Mac. All of the commands will work the same. Modern IDEs such as JetBrains RubyMine can auto-complete many of these steps. However, knowing how to construct this code from scratch will provide valuable insight into what you are making when testing and solutioning test strategies in the real world. I would like to note that this is not a comprehensive tutorial on the features of Cucumber. There are three prerequisites for this demonstration, which are an open command prompt or terminal, Ruby installed, and bundler installed. You can check your Ruby installation by typing ruby-v. Also the same for bundler, bundler-v. Now that those are confirmed, we'll take a look at our empty project. In this empty project, we're going to put all the necessary files to run our Cucumber scenario. First file we have to create is a gem file. Once the gem file is complete, we put this line into it, gem Cucumber. Once that is in, we'll use this to install Cucumber using bundler. The command bundle install will read the gem file. It will create a file called gemfile.lock, and it will also download all the dependencies we need. You can see here it successfully downloaded several libraries. It also created this gemfile.lock, which lists out the dependencies and the version resolutions inside them. Our next step is to create the feature file, which will have our BDD in it. In it, we are just going to have a single scenario. Cucumber does require that your feature files and step code be under a feature directory. So we're going to create that directory now, called features. And in it, we'll create our first feature file, demo.feature. For Cucumber, feature files need to have the extension .feature on them. In here, we'll put our single scenario. We're just going to have a very simple scenario, which is what we're trying to do, which is simply run some Cucumber tests. So the scenario is some Cucumber is running and returning a string. Here we'll say given there is a string we wish to return. We'll simply say then Cucumber will return the string. A highly simplistic explanation of what's going on, but it should do for now. We have to ensure in our feature file as well that the feature keyword is in here. Otherwise, Cucumber is going to error when it tries to run it. Feature is just a high-level description of what it does. Again, this is not a comprehensive tutorial on Cucumber. There are lots of description and things that you will find yourself putting up here under normal circumstances. And there we are. So this is a valid feature file that Cucumber will parse over and run. However, it needs a step code to actually execute this code. So again, under features, we're going to make the demo steps folder. That's going to have the .rb extension, as it's going to be plain Ruby. Cucumber, when it runs, is going to search by using regular expression, this string here, and it will run the code that is inside that block. It doesn't matter where the step code is. When Cucumber runs, it effectively flattens everything underneath the features folder. Therefore, we can have it any place we want. So knowing it's going to search by regex by this, we go into our steps. We start with the keyword that matches it. Oops, I did not copyright. There we go. After we put do, and our text editor auto-completes the unblock for us. The keyword could be given when, then, and, or any other valid Cucumber keyword. When it goes over it, it doesn't care which keyword it is. It's merely searching for this text right here via regular expression. Let's put the step block for this one as well while we're here. I'm simply copying and pasting this. Again, if you have RubyMine, it will automatically create these for you. To end. Okay. In here, we will implement the step as it says, which is there is a string we wish to return. What we will do is use an instance variable to save a string. Down here, we're going to use this puts command, which stands for put string in Ruby, to simply output the Qux instance variable. Now that all this is done, we should be able to run this test and see the string return. We use the Cucumber command to run. And give the file path to where it is. Awesome. You can see our Cucumber steps, and congratulations, Qux are running wild. That is all the steps needed to run a basic Cucumber scenario in Ruby.